Rainfall. In this module, you will learn how rainfall occurs. After a hot and sweltering day, rains bring much joy and relief. But how does it rain? Where is all the water stored in the sky? Want to know? Let's learn the science of rain formation. Rain is the most common form of precipitation. However, without clouds, there can be no rain. So, let's first learn how these clouds are formed. During the day, solar radiation heats the surface of the earth and causes evaporation from water bodies. Evaporation also takes place from plants, which is termed transpiration. This forms a layer of warm and moist air near the Earth's surface. This moist air, which contains water vapor, expands and rises. The moist air rises to higher altitudes, where the temperature is lower and cools down. The water vapor in the air reaches its dew point, which is the temperature for water vapor to condense into water droplets. Water vapor condenses around small particles of dust available in the atmosphere to form clouds. Clouds constantly increase in size as more and more water droplets collect. When the water droplets become too heavy for the air to hold, the heavy cloud bursts and the water droplets fall down on the earth as rain. In this module you have learned rain occurs in the following way. Solar radiation heats up the Earth's surface. The heated surface heats up its closest layer of air, which contains water vapor. Warm and moist air expands and rises. The warm and moist air cools down at high altitudes. When air cools down, water vapor in the air changes into water droplets and forms clouds. When clouds become too heavy, they burst and we get rain.